Hi, Mr. President Biden. How are you? You okay? Me? No, I'm not good. I'm not good, Mr. President. You know, since this morning, when I heard this news, I have a good diarrhea in my stomach. You don't mean, what does that mean, diarrhea? Diarrhea is like when you eat pudlet and your stomach is and you want to go to the bathroom. That's why, yes, when I heard this story, it's a very bad news, Mr. Biden. I don't know why the Republican state gonna stop this program. I don't know why. It's not fair, Mr. President. If they start this program, you're gonna start another one? Oh, that's a good news for the Haitian people. Yes, thank you, Mr. President. You're the best man. You're the best man. God did. Yes, man. But listen, Mr. President, you know, the Haitian immigration system in Haiti is too bad. It's fucked up. It's a little bit difficult for us to find a passport on time. Yes, because a lot of racketeers in the immigration in Haiti. A lot of racketeers. They ask a lot of money to give you the passport. Can you please let us go with our Batista over there? We can travel with our Batista? Oh, okay. I'm gonna tell them this is the good news. But listen, Mr. President, I have one more last question for you. You know, there's a lot of Maozo and neglect in Haiti. Do they can apply also for this program? Really? They can apply. Oh my goodness, Mr. President, I love you. We love you, man. Okay. So I'm gonna tell them. You know, I'm gonna tell them they're gonna qualify also. That's a good news. Thank you, Mr. President, man. You know, this morning when I wake up, when I heard this news, it's like Russia and Ukraine war inside of my stomach. Oh yes, Mr. President, I'm telling you, so until yesterday, until now, I'm not eating nothing. I can eat right now. Okay, I'm gonna eat a goblet of zili avec sauce pois légumes. Thank you, Mr. President. Take care, man. You're the best president ever, man. God bless Haiti and God bless America. We love you, man. The Haitian people love you, man. All right, man. Thank you, man.